Unpacking the phrase, plug away, a guide to understanding and using it. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a fascinating phrase to explore, plug away. This is a phrase you might come across in English conversations, books, or even in the workplace. So, if you're curious about what it means and how to use it, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and demystify plug away together. The phrase, plug away, is an informal expression used to describe the action of continuing to work hard and persistently on a task, even when it is challenging or tedious. It emphasizes the idea of not giving up, despite difficulties or slow progress. For example, if someone is studying for a difficult exam, and they spend several hours every day reviewing the material, they are plugging away at their studies. To better understand plug away, let's break down the phrase. Plug, in this context, plug, is a verb that means to persist or work steadily. Away, when used with plug away, gives a sense of continuous or sustained effort. So, when you put them together, plug away means to persistently work or labor at something for a prolonged period. Now that we know what plug away means, let's see how we can use it in sentences. She's been plugging away at her novel for months, and it's finally starting to take shape. The team is plugging away on the project, and we expect to finish it by the deadline. Even though the task was daunting, he kept plugging away until it was completed. Notice how in each example, plug away is used to describe sustained effort and perseverance. And that's it for today's lesson on the phrase, plug away. We hope that this video has helped clarify its meaning and usage for you. Remember, learning a language is a journey, and every bit of knowledge counts. Keep plugging away at your English studies, and you will surely see progress. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more learning content. See you in the next video.